What's up, guys? This is Rashina.
And Sean.
Welcome back to the Digital Collective 828. We have a great topic for tonight. We're talking about Japan's banking sector and it's being set to adopt XRP. We're going to do an in-depth analysis for you tonight.
I'm telling you, you got to stay in tune because there is a lot of information we're going to unpack tonight, and you don't want to miss none of this stuff.
Yes, we're going to talk about the specifics of the adoption and the potential implications for XRP holders. So this is a monumental shift in the financial landscape, and we're here to break it all down for you. So let's jump right in. We're going to start with the overview of the adoption.
Oh, yeah. So what's happening in Japan? Reports indicate that by 2025, nearly 80% of Japan banks plan to integrate Ripple XRP into their system. This move aims to enhance cross-border payments and streamline currency conversion, positioning XRP as a vital bridge currency within the global financial network.
Man, look at, yes, vital for sure. That's right. This integration is expected to modernize Japan's $6.372 trillion banking sector, potentially increasing XRP's market capitalization significantly as adoption rates rise.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is huge for XRP. Huge. It's going to create some real demand for XRP's long-term success. Oh man.
Most doubt.
So let's get into the key players and who they are.
Leading the initiative is the SBI Holdings, a major financial system firm in Japan. The CEO has been a strong advocate for XRP, emphasizing its potential to streamline cross-border transactions. He believes that real demand for XRP will emerge as more companies and banks integrate into their operations, particularly for the international remittances. The critical service for Japan large
community.
Yes. So.
Right. So I agree. Kyoto, this person's the CEO of SBI. I may not pronounce this person's name right. Has highlighted XRP's advantages over traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which he argues is has a lack of inherent value. He envisions XRP as the ideal solution for international remittances, benefiting millions globally. So we talked about this before, like, you know, about coins versus meme coins, tokens. So we talked about this before about, you know, XRP having utility in the financial system. And that's exactly what this CEO is saying, is that unlike Bitcoin, he is saying, this CEO of SBI Holdings is saying that XRP plays a role in the financial system. I mean, it has utility, it has a use. You know, its value is not based upon just speculation, basically.
Right.
Basically. So you got something to add to what Mr. Kyoto has said?
No, I just know that he was on a Ripple board, so he knows a lot of information. So I'm following what he says.
Right. So we're gonna get into the technical integration details a little bit more to break this down a little further for you guys.
With the technical background of this integration involves the Interledger Protocol, the IPLP, which would work in a conjunction with the XRP ledger. This setup aims to streamline cross-border payments and simplify currency conversion, making transactions more efficient and cost-effective.
So by leveraging ILP, which my husband just said, the Interledger Protocol, and the XRPL ledger, banks can facilitate seamless transactions across different ledgers and networks, reducing the friction and costs associated with traditional cross-border payments. So a key insight here is the combination of ILP and XRPL enables interoperability between various financial systems, which is a key factor in modernizing banking infrastructure. So different systems can talk to each other. Different systems can talk to each other by leveraging the ILP and XRPL.
Most definitely.
So this could also reduce transaction times from days to seconds. significantly impacting international business operations.
Days a second.
This is, like I said, this is a game changer. Yeah. So let's understand a little bit. Let's break this down a little bit more to make sure that everybody understands Interledger Protocol, which is ILP.
If you're new to the Interledger Protocol, ILP, let's break it down simply. Think of it as the internet of value.
Right.
Just as the internet allows different networks to connect with and communicate seamlessly, the ILP enables different payments networks and a financial system to send money to each other, whether they are banks, digital wallets, or blockchain. It doesn't matter if one system use fiat currency and the other one use crypto. The ILP acts as a translator, allowing money to move freely between them.
Man, listen what it just said. It doesn't matter whether you're using like banks, digital wallets, blockchain. If one is using fiat, which is the dollar bill, and the other is using crypto, ILP can translate between the two.
Right.
That's something big, y'all. Allowing the money to move freely between them. So it doesn't matter. There is no longer a hindrance or block between different systems communicating with different languages. So it's actually a great way to look at it. What he just explained. ILP is not a blockchain. It doesn't have its own currency. Instead, like I said, it facilitates the interoperability between, meaning that different financial networks can connect without requiring a single central authority. And this is crucial for global finance because banks, fintech companies, and even decentralized networks all use different technologies. So without ILP, these systems could struggle to communicate, leading to inefficiencies in transactions.
That's wow. So here where XRP and ILP works together, XRP is the bridge currency that provides liquidity when transactions occur between different financial systems. The ILP helps these transactions happen instantly and with low fees, making it ideal for cross-border payments. For example, if a Japanese bank using ILP wants to send money to a European bank, the XRP can act as a bridge access, converting Japanese yen to euro in seconds instead of days.
So in simple terms, y'all, ILP connects all payment networks, and XRP provides the liquidity to move funds across them quickly. This combination is what makes Ripple's technology so powerful, and why so many banks in Japan are choosing to integrate XRP into their systems.
Awesome. And this is just a theory.
This isn't just a theory.
ILP is already being used by RippleNet, Visa, and even the Bill and the Melinda Gates Foundation to improve financials in conclusion worldwide. This is why the adoption of XRP by Japanese bank is so significant. And it's not just a spectacular asset. It is a real world solution to financial inefficiency.
Right. So listen, we are giving you information that we have learned, and that it is such a I don't know what's the great word to say. It's such a monumental thing for XRP because think about it. XRP is acting as the bridge currency. It's being used in the function in which it was designed to be used, but in a mass adoption by Japan's financial sector. So think about this. XRP, when these traditional banks start in Japan start to implement this, right? What do you think is going to happen in other places, right? Everybody wants to reduce their costs, right? To do international transactions,
quick and
to
fast,
facilitate their business. Everybody wants, just like if you see something, if you as a natural retail person see something like a way to make your light bill lower, right? If your neighbor put up some different kind of blinds and reduce their light bill by I don't know, $300 per year. You can be like, okay, how did you do that? How did you do that?
Right.
Because you're going to want to get those blinds too, right? Because it's going to save you money. So the same thing with XRP. Other banks are going to see that Japan is able to do these things and able to reduce their costs to operate international and cross-border payments. And they're like, how are you guys doing that? XRP, the bridge currency, we're using it in the way in which it was designed to be used. So that's going to increase more people to a more traditional banks to want to be able to use this.
That's right.
Because they're seeing it's working and reducing costs.
And not only reducing costs, it's a quick process. You're talking about seconds instead of days or weeks. So XRP using this concept, this payment, I mean, it definitely is a game changer.
Yeah, ILP and XRP are disrupting the outdated model followed by traditional banks, allowing instant payments worldwide. Instant payments worldwide. So as more financial systems adopt ILP and XRP, we can see a fundamental shift in how money moves globally. Like I just said, reducing costs for businesses and consumers. Right. So let's talk about the potential impact on XRP's market value.
Now, y'all definitely want to listen to this. Analysts predict that even a modest adoption rate could lead to an increase in XRP price and market cap. Projections indicates potential price points of $3.50 at 1% adoption and $13.48 at 10% adoption.
It's at 10%. And these figures highlight the significant impact that widespread adoption can have on XRP's market performance. It's an exciting prospect for investors and the broader crypto community. So listen, this is major news for the XRP community. Just to see how things are playing out and how XRP is fastly being used and implemented into different technologies and different sectors, and how banks are getting on board to use this XRP in the purpose of which it was designed for. So let's talk about a couple things. We always want to give you the flip side. So just to consider some challenges and considerations about this adoption. So while this development is promising, it's essential to consider potential challenges. So the success of this integration depends on effective implementation. So how they roll it out, its regulatory compliance, and the ability to manage technological complexities. So additionally, market dynamics and competition from other digital assets could also influence outcomes. So it's crucial for the stakeholders to stay informed and adapt as the situation evolves. So regardless, though, this is still, to me, a great another check in the XRP community that Japan is leading the way, showing the adoption of XRP and rapidly moving forward with using XRP as a bridge currency.
Yes.
And this is great news. So we want to share with you what we learned. We want to give you all the highlights and hopefully break it down for you to let you know what ILP is and how it impacts XRP and what Japan is doing with XRP. So if you found this video helpful, as always, please like, subscribe, or share, and share your comments. If you know a couple of more things that we haven't shared, drop it in the comments that to share with the community. And also, we want to remind you, we have our Patreon community. We have dropped some exclusive content there. We created a beginner's guide to crypto and XRP that's only available to subscribers in the Patreon community. Then you also have, if you want to donate to our page to help us continue bringing you guys these videos, please feel to do that. We have a link there as well. We also have Digital Collective 828 merchandise, where you can represent a shirt to show that your support of our page, of our channel. And we appreciate you guys. We thank you. You got something to say? I'll keep talking, Sean.
Yeah, I know you talking a lot, but no, I'm just saying thank y'all for always rocking with us. We thank you for the comments that you leave. We thank you for the support that you have given us so much. We appreciate you 100%.
We do. Thank you so much. So until next time, you guys, keep breaking those barriers and building your legacy for your family and your friends. Have a great one. Deuces.